Hey guys, welcome back. Currently, April month is in progress, and here in Surat, Gujarat, India, summer is on its peak. And in this summer season, this adenium does very well. So, whatever R&D you want to do with the adenium, you can try in this month. You can see I have lot many adeniums of different varieties. Now, few adeniums started growing very heavily, and the pots I have used, they are not sufficient for them. So I am planning to change the pot for this adenium. I'll tell you the reason for me changing the pot. Come closer, I'll show you. See, this particular adenium, its codex has grown quite a big, and there is a very little space available here. So now it cannot further grow, and if it is not able to grow, then its growth will stop and it will not flourish as we want. So it's a right time to change the pot. So I'll give you first tip for the selecting the right type of pots for the adenium plant. So this is the pot which I am going to use for the repotting. Now the reason for me selecting this pot is this pot has a wider mouth at the top and it has a shallow depth. Now since when adenium grows bigger, then its codex becomes bigger and bigger. So this wider mouth helps in accommodating that bigger codex, and adenium does not go deep. So shallow depth will serve the purpose. So we'll use this pot for repotting this adenium. Right now I am planning these four adeniums repotting. One is this one, second is this, third is this, and fourth is this. So we'll begin repotting of these four adeniums. So first step is to remove these adeniums from its existing pot safely, and then remove the old soil and make it ready for the repotting. So let's start that. So likewise, I'll remove all the adeniums from its existing pot and make it ready for the repotting. So I removed all the adeniums from their existing pot. Removal from the plastic pot was very easy, but the removal from the clay pot and cement pot was little bit difficult because its root gets stuck on the wall of the pot, and it was not so easy, but somehow I managed. And also I trimmed some of the unwanted roots and make them ready for the repotting. So first I'll make the pots ready, and then I'll prepare the soil, and then we'll proceed for the repotting. So guys, soil is ready, plants are ready, and so is the case with the pots also. Soil I prepare with my standard recipe. If you are interested to know further about the recipe, you can watch my other videos wherein I given all the details. And these pots I purchased from the Krupex India Limited, that is in Ahmedabad. If you are interested, you can buy from them. I'll give a contact detail in the description. And for drainage, I made a hole with the drilling machine. If you are also planning to make a holes with the drilling machine and your machine is having a hammer mode, then be careful. Accidentally also you should not use hammer mode while drilling. It happened with me. Unfortunately, accidentally that knob shifted to hammer mode and it immediately cracked my pot, you can see. Nevertheless, I repaired it with the araldite. So keep in mind, never ever use the hammer mode while drilling the pots, and you can use wood drill for the drilling the holes. So let us begin the repotting. So first we'll put some small pieces of bricks so that it can cover the drainage hole so that soil doesn't drain out. So it looks very nice in this pot. Likewise, I'll pot the balance 3. Then later on we'll meet. So guys, with this information of Adenium is completed. Hope you might have liked this video. If yes, please give me a thumbs up. And yeah, recently I changed my channel's name from Sidnesh to Leaf and Soil Adventures, which is more appropriate to what I'm doing. So please subscribe my channel so that you get the notification of the any new video which I am posting. Till then, goodbye.